Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make autoresponders with MIMU. MIMU autoresponders, also known as custom commands, are a fantastic way to automate your server's interactions. They allow the bot to respond automatically to specific words or phrases you set up. This feature is incredibly useful for answering frequently asked questions, providing quick information, or simply adding a fun, interactive element to your community. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your first autoresponder up and running. To create your very first autoresponder, you'll use a straightforward / command. Simply type /autoresponder add followed by your chosen trigger and reply. The trigger is the exact word or phrase that will make MIMU respond, and the reply is the message MIMU will send back. For instance, if you want MIMU to say hi there, when someone types hello, you would use the command /autoresponder add trigger, hello reply, hi there. It's that easy to set up a basic automated response. Once you have a few autoresponders, managing them is simple. To see all your current autoresponders, just use the command /autoresponder list. If you need to change a response, you can edit it with /autoresponder editreply, specifying the original trigger and your new reply. Should an autoresponder no longer be needed, you can easily delete it using /autoresponder remove followed by its trigger. Keeping your list tidy ensures your bot always provides accurate and helpful information. MIMU autoresponders can do much more than just send text. You can integrate powerful functions to create dynamic interactions. For example, use a role to automatically assign a role, or embed to send a visually striking message in a colored box. You can even add a cooldown like 60 seconds, using cooldown 60 to prevent users from spamming. These advanced functions allow for highly customized and interactive automated experiences within your server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.